Next task strictly involves CSRF attacks. Cross-site request forgery, also known as CSRF attack, is a web security vulnerability that allows an attacker to induce users to perform actions that they don't intend to perform. It allows an attacker to partly circumvent the same origin policy, which is designed to prevent different websites from interfering with each other. So this lab is completed by the following steps. So when you open up the lab, it should take you here. I already solved the lab, so again, it gives me a message that I solved the lab. So I'm just going to reproduce my steps. So the first thing I did was go to my account, type in Wiener as the username, and then Peter as the password, log in, and then you can see that the email is test@test.com and the username is Wiener. So let me just update the email real quick. So you can see that it updated here, and then when we go to Burp Suite, we're looking for something in the proxy HTTP history where it says the most recent is my account change email. We scroll down here and we see that the email has been updated to testuser@test.com. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our exploit server. So this is what our exploit server looks like. We copy this code given in here, and we just replace our lab ID, my account up to my account here, with our link to the website. So as you can see, this is what my link is. My personal link is specified, so I specified that here, and then for here, we're going to click the store button to store this new username. So I changed the email value to user@hacker.com. I'm going to click view exploit. All right, and then you can see that user@hacker.com is changed. And then if we go back here, we can see that user@hacker.com is updated as well. And then going back to this exploit server, all we have to do again is make sure it just says user@hacker.com, and then we click on store again, and then deliver exploit to victim, and then it should say congratulations, you solved the lab. So from this lab, I was able to learn how to implement a CSRF attack to change the viewer's email address and upload it to my exploit server. I was able to change a user's email address to whatever I wanted to and understand how a basic CSRF attack works through using an exploit server.